Good, correct one. How do I look? I look fine. Okay. Cool. You're not working on that. So if I go here, this says rotating this there. Then here I should be seeing scoundrel deck. I can just put spaces in. Deck. Textures. Why not? Yes. Chat. Do I have a chat? No. I guess we will see if people will drop by. I mean, I wouldn't. Why would I invest? But let's see if we can change this pattern, change this behavior. That is my one of the objectives I have in 2026. So let's go to dash mount. What? Mount a count. Why not? Let's go there because I have okay, I can do this. And then hello, welcome back. Welcome. Nice of you to join. I am gonna make a pledge commitment, so I wanna be lower the music. Sure, yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. How about now? -40. When I speak, it goes to lower values. Yeah, 50, 40. When I speak, it goes even lower, and maybe something like that. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what do I have? Let me start. I have about 2 hours. So what I wanna do until the foreseeable future is be live and try to do stuff. I am not sure. I understand that I cannot do curated content because yeah, my brain doesn't work like that. I wanna switch projects, and when I do that, I can't do targeted specific content. I can't do 6 months on a single thing. I wanna jump between projects, etc. So I just wanna be here. I just wanna be communicating, chatting, you know, people dropping by and saying hi. I wanna share what I do, what I think, and we will see where it leads, where it will take us. That is the plan. My voice is clear, thank you very much. So this is something new, something I'm building with an AI assistant, and we can go into detail about that. But basically this is a so this is like a single player game. Currently we are playing with keyboard. So you start the game by pressing enter. Let me drop the frames a bit. This is too much. What happened there? I don't know. Oops. I closed these two things. How did I do that? Oh my god. Restore. What? I pressed something by mistake, and then anyway, so what I need to do is T max FPS to 40, let's say 45. Otherwise I think it affects the stream quality or whatever. So please pin. I lost the pins, but I don't know why. Okay, and then the content drawer should also be docked. Wait, what did I do? I have no idea. Anyway, so game is basically 4 cards are dealt, and then we can see, so from the top, E3 is enemy, that is a spades, so 3 of spades, and then this is 10 of diamonds, this is 5 of diamonds, and this is 7 of clubs. So black decks, so black what is it called, suites? Yeah. Scoundrel is a you can play by yourself. It is like a dungeon crawling. Spades and clubs are enemies, diamonds are weapons, and the clubs are hearts are health potions. You start with a 20 health, and 4 cards dealt. You play 3 of them, and then when there is 3 more cards are dealt, etc. So it goes like that, and this is the basic implementation of that gameplay loop. It is functionally complete now, so I can, for example, pick the 5 of diamonds as a weapon. Oops. And then now I have a weapon 5, and with that weapon I haven't hit any enemy at the moment, but I can hit the enemy number. So the third card, which is the 7 of clubs, so now I hit 7 of clubs, but since that 7 of clubs was more powerful than my weapon, which is 5, the difference is I lost from my health. I lost the difference from my health, so now my health is 18, and now I can hit the first enemy, which is 3 of spades, and then there is only 1 card left, so again we complete the room to. So I consider each 4 card a new room, and maybe we can even have a story around it. But basically this is gonna be going on until you lose or you win. So we can win, for example. Let's try to win. This is I use a seed for card randomization, so since I don't change the seed at the moment, it is always the same, so you can win this seed. So let's try to win. There is there is only weapons, unfortunately, so I guess we are gonna just use the potions and pick up the least powerful weapon. And now I switched weapon, the last enemy I hit reset, and still there are enemies. So enemy 10, let's hit enemy 10, and then I hit enemy 3, and then let's pick up the weapon. So when I pick up the weapon, now there are 2 enemies still, 14. Start with the bigger enemy, and then the second enemy, and then I can drink the health potion with value 2. Now there is another enemy, so let's hit that, and then I will drink the first potion and pick up the weapon. And now there are 2 enemies on the board, which is 4 and 3, and I have health. Let's pick up the weapon, why not? There is only 1 enemy. Unfortunately, we are gonna lose a good weapon here, and we need to pick it up. Yeah. Now there are 2 enemies on the board, which is 3 and again 3, and I will pick up the weapon. I will hit the enemy, drink the least. It was both of them are powerful, but I had to pick something, so pick the weapon. Now kill 2 enemies, drink the potion, now this is critical because I can't hit 2 enemies one after another because I won't have the health. Since my weapon is used on a 4 powered enemy, I can't use it on another enemy that has a power higher than 4. In that case, I will take all 14 damage when I hit the number 3. So now I have 6 health, so I need to drink the potion now. Now I can hit the other enemy, and I can hit number 2 without losing any health. I can hit 8. Now I can drink the potion. And I can hit this guy from the bottom. I only have 4 health, but I can drink the first potion and now hit the second guy, the enemy. And now I'm not getting any weapons, which is the unfortunate thing here, but still that is fine, because we are getting enemies and potions, so when we are alternating between them it works. So I have only 11 health, so if I hit the 4th guy here I will lose the game, so therefore I'm gonna hit number 2 and drink a potion. Or I can just drink this 3rd potion, so my health is full again, and now I can hit the 11. I can probably drink this potion, and now finally I have a weapon now, so I can get the 14th weapon of 14, and hit the second enemy, which is 12, hit the first enemy, which is 9. I get a new room, hit the 3rd enemy, which is 2, and then now since I hit a enemy 2 power enemy 2, this weapon is useless now, so I'm gonna switch it and drink the potion, why not? And this is the last last room. There are no cards on the deck. 48 on the discard. The last 4 cards here. So basically I won. I can hit the number enemy 12, but it doesn't matter now. So I can just pick weapons and game over. Okay, this is it. This is the game. So now we are gonna make it more visually impressive. That is the plan. So, but first I need to fix this layout. Viewport controls. Is it this one? No. I need to fix the layout. Oops. Come back. Let me get this mouse on a charging. Cool. So, nice. Okay. So, last I remember, I downloaded some stuff. Is it this one? I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, these are Minecraft texture packs. Didn't I download? Stuff. Looks like I did not download anything. I remember checking it. Fab. There was no free assets here, I think. Deck of cards. 100 liras. Okay. Ooh, playing cards. 50 liras. I think Kenny had assets for that deck. Or is it playing cards? Cards. Playing cards, yes. Let's get this thing. Let's get this thing. Okay. What do we have here? Tile sheet, PNG, large. Okay, looks great. If I open this like that, if I get it like that, not tile sheet, PNG, large. Let's see. I don't need it. This is not Mac. I can just do this. Is this large? Really? It works for now. Let's try to use this. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna let's see where we are at. Next data, not this one. Default rules, this is data table, standard 52. Does it have a... It uses data table as a source. And this one doesn't have a... It's just type and value. I guess not. Okay. Let's do this. Main. Don't MCP. Main data maps Python main. Under main, let's call assets. Not sure about that. Tile sheet. I don't think I need the tile sheet. But this tile sheet has oh, these are not back faces. I thought they are faces for the back of the cards, but maybe not. Okay. Can I do this? No, I cannot. Can I do this? Import, yes. Import as data table. What? Ah, this is the CSV. Sure. How does it look like, that CSV? Oh, cancel. PNG cards large. This is 1 kilobyte. This is also 1 kilobyte. This is again 1 kilobyte. Okay, so let's do this. Cards. OMG. So pick everything. 56 items. What do we have here? Card back. Empty card. Nice, those are also very important. And something else? Empty. Joker card. And Joker card red. Okay, makes sense. Cool, so we can move these here. Move here. Delete this folder. I'm gonna call this one deck playing cards. Why not? So model high. Where does it happen? Resume. Let's resume. I have downloaded an texture asset library that has faces for all 52 cards and also textures for empty card and card back. all PNG. Now instead of showing 3D text, instead of showing text on card meshes, let's use textures from the pack. Tell me if I need to do anything on the editor. Let's see what happens. I believe these agents are like really powerful for streaming purposes, because you can just give the task and then go back to your chat while waiting for it to work and need another prompt. Okay, so using yes, there are a few editor steps. Import all PNG to, yes, sure. Create a card face material, new material. So let's do it. Let's go to okay, let's create materials, right? Card face. Okay, let's do it. Material, yes. Card face, and then I can probably get this one like that. I can put it like that. Do this. So I have everything all at once. Okay, add a texture parameter. So I open the card material, parameters, texture parameters. Is that like a texture something? Is it? Okay. This one? Maybe? Probably. Card face text. Oof. Really? I need 52 of these? Let's see. Let's do one. Card face. So let's say ace of clubs, ace. Why not? Okay. And then if I go in here, what is it? This one. So I'm gonna select what did we call this? Ace of clubs. Can do this. What then? Was it the diorama actor? Diorama visuals. What was it? Card meshes. Card texts. Layout. I am not sure where do we get the. Let's try to find them. Aha, these card base, but I do not have that. I would go with this one, although now I cannot find where to This is my deck. And we are just using this data table. Yes. Now, help me navigate through the assets. I believe we are using, but it imports from a data table. I think we can add a texture column to this data table or asset so that when we render we can use it dynamically. Yes. Scoundrel deck data asset. Is it this one? How do I see it? Deck source, inline cards. Scoundrel deck data asset. So if I go here, yeah, we should have. Wait, what is this? Inline cards. You are right. Okay. Let's go with this. Inline cards. We can also add inline cards, which is interesting, I guess. So this is face map data asset. Okay. Card face material, name, card faces, card back, empty card. Let's see what is going to happen. After code changes, we need to rebuild. That is the downside of it, but I guess that's okay. Okay, let's see. New public API. Hard reference to textures, materials in the card. Forbidden. Yes, sure. You can go away. Added this thing. Now prefers textures over text. Okay, so tell me what to do. Here we are. Create the face map asset. So here we are gonna create a data asset. This one, but it will not be able to find scoundrel thing, which is card face map data, because we have not rebuilt. That is the only downside for now. Yeah, I don't I am not really sure why I am doing this. I mean, I understand that you need to build, and there's a hot build thing that's also available, but at the same time I don't know why I am doing any of this. Like, I need to delete stuff. Why is it not updating some cached files or anything? I don't know. Are we done? Okay, hopefully. Okay. I can do this. Why not? Do we know how to layout? Yes, default layout. Please do it. Okay. I mean, still we are missing the block, but it is, I don't understand. Ah, there we go. Maybe this helps. Okay, now let's see data s. You see, it is not there. So I need to delete save intermediate derived data and then binaries, and then generate these. Probably there should be a better way. Also, there should be a better way to work with VS Code, but unfortunately I cannot do it as well. And then C++, Microsoft somewhat blocking some of the extensions or whatever that is to be run by cursor or anything, so I have to install either VS Code or Rider. I tried to install Rider, tried to use it, but it looks weird. I couldn't understand what is happening. Like, some file is selected on the file explorer on the left, but we are not on that file in the open editor, which is another weird thing. Yeah, so build, yes. But Let's go. Yeah, so anyway, while we are waiting, I can just speak. I had this weird schedule with streaming and I'm not happy with it. So I am on and off. I can somehow find a rhythm to continue for a couple of months and then take long breaks. And then when I return, usually it means that I start from scratch. Yeah, I always feel like I'm not cut out for it. Was it how it is used? Yeah, diorama. What was it that we need to select? Face map data asset. That one. So we are gonna call this. Right. Let's go to like that, and then put it like that. Okay. So go to data, scoundrel, data asset, yes, face map, data asset, and then we are gonna call this DA underscore scoundrel card faces. Create an M card face, which we have done, with a texture parameter named card face text to base color, which I believe we have done. Yes. Should be okay. And if we go to editor settings, if we select open location as main window, this should help. Sure, I don't know what that is. What else? Assign M card face to card face material in the face map asset. Okay, sure. This one? Face material. M card face. Okay. Card face texture param is card face text. Now fill the mapping. In the face map asset, add entries for each card ID found in the data deck table. Yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, let's go. I am excited already. Oh, no. Save. So if I go to my deck here, not this one, so I need to go to the data table. So card ID is S2 10 Jack Queen King, then C D H. So it should be okay. Let's do it. So I need to make 1, 2. Oh, I cannot add anyone. So clubs ace. Was it okay like that? Yeah, this is a bit of a bummer. CA card ID C_A. Okay, so let's start with spades. Follow the same and then for this one I need to go and pick assets, playing cards. What is this? Spades. Spades is spades ace, this one, right? Yes. And for card back, I have this one. For empty card, I have this one. Okay. Now add another one. So this is gonna be s_2. Nice. So spades 2. Gonna be this. This is gonna be 3. Like that. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Jack, Queen, and King. Okay, so this is spades. So if we go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we already have the ace. This is Jack. Nope. This is King and this is Queen. Okay. So next is clubs. Ace. We start with ace and then we end with king. Okay. Ace. There should be a faster way to do this. I'm not happy with doing this by hand. I feel like there should be a way faster way. 5. At least I should be able to click this 52 times. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. 10. I cannot. Jack. Queen. And then I need to be scrolling. Fuck. Okay. Clubs. Clubs ace. Clubs 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, and King. Okay, can we try it? Let's see if it works. Why not? Assign to the diorama. In your diorama actor, which I have here, set the new card faces. Card faces as this thing. Compile. Okay, let's try it. It is working, but yeah, it is working, but it is not. I don't know. It needs. So let's ask. It is working. did 2 suits and tested it out. As you can see, the textures are working, but they are sideways, and also they need to be better placed on the mesh or whatever. Let's see what it does. Open the card mesh. Okay. So card mesh is I have no idea where the card mesh is. This is data anyway. What is happening? It is gonna crash. I feel like this is gonna crash. What the hell? Dude. I don't want to rotate the mesh. It is not... How could you not see it? What is this? If I go here... Ah, that is the reason. If I select card, not the card face, but MI, yeah, let's do this. Okay. So now if you go to my material, if we have a parameter float, scalar parameter, right? UV scale, whatever, right? 0.5. Let's do it like that. What happened? I have no idea what's happening. It is not. Not like this. Apparently not. UVZ is 0. And if I add why? I have no idea. It is 0 here. Open the card mesh modeling mode UV project or on website projection on the top face. What? Let's try. What do you mean? Modeling mode. What? Can I do this like that? No, I don't think so. UV project. No, there is nothing like that. Option B. Let's do this. Fix the card material. Add UV controls. Okay. Okay, let's try to read. So not this one, but this one. Here in the material, texture coordinate custom rotator. This one. What? You need to tell me in more detail. Assume I know nothing. Okay. So texture coordinates. Okay. Multiply. Add vector to custom rotator. Okay. Scalar parameter. Call this one UV rotation. Vector parameter. Was it a vector parameter? Yes. Call this one UV scale. Okay. And another vector parameter. Call this one UV offset. Okay. UV rotation, which is this one, default value is 1.5708. UV scale is default value is 1. Okay. UV offset is 0. Okay. Texture coordinate multiply A. Yes. Multiply output goes to add A. UV offset goes to here. Interesting. What is this? Add output goes to custom rotator UVs. UV rotation goes to custom rotators angle. Constant 2 vector, which is 0.5. Come on. And this is the center. Sure. Custom rotator output. Plug into the UV's input of your card face texture sample. Like that. What happened to UV scale? UV scale goes to here. But this didn't work. Multiply vector 2. Is it another multiply? Nope. Vector multiply. So this is not working. So I need an add vector. Add vector. Vector add. Maybe I can do this like that. Come on. Arithmetic between types float 2, float 3 are undefined. Arithmetic between types float 2, float 3. After you add a component masculine. And I presume same here. Okay, it works now, I think. Then what? We did this texture coordinate multiplied, added with custom rotator. Sure. Okay, save it. Now if we go here, we should have some other stuff. Now if I get this thing like that, right, I can try. Scale 1.2 1.2 no 1.5. Oh, we should go lower. 0.8 0.8 maybe, why not? And then the offset should be oof. Oi. What the? the hell is this, man? What are you doing? I need a bit more. Actually, this looks pretty good. Maybe 24/5. What was it? No. Okay, then 24/7. 8. 8/5. 9. Okay, let's be happy with 9. Cool. And then what? And then we can scale 0.7 maybe. And then we can do this. Oops, 0.7 is too much. Something like this. It looks a bit weird, but let's see what happens. Okay, save please. And then if I go to my data and card faces, no, not the card, this one, yes, mi cards. If I do this, and now is this gonna work? Yes, look at that. 7s and 3s. Looks nice. Let's move the camera a bit more. Camera. Find the camera, please. I don't have the camera. This one? Yes. So if we move closer, if I change its place, what happens? I don't really care now. What are you doing, man? Why is it? Where are you? I have no idea why. Snapping at 5 degrees. Okay. 7 and 3. I think it looks nice. But at least I mean, it works. That is the point. So yeah, I'm not sure why it is all of a sudden like 4 by 3 or something like that. But yeah. So I have my cards now, which is good. But why are they... Okay, let's this thing. Diorama actor. Diorama base. Can I change it in the game? Diorama actor. Where is it? There it is. So diorama base. Wait. Can I change its location or not? Symbol, diorama base. Come on. Where is it? Do I need to make this like a... I don't know. Where are my cards? Game app, is it here? Why? Let's just ask it. What can I do sometimes? If I start this diorama actor, yeah, I want to be able to change the diorama base. Sure. Clear. Card slot offset Z value. What is that? Card slot offset. Aha. Z value. So let's add 5 to all of them. Why not? Aha. There we go. Finally. Okay. Card rotation. If I rotate them on Z axis for 90 degrees, what happens? Nice. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 now. I think we are good. I can make the health bar like Z scaling with the amount of the health. Yeah, that would be a nice nice visualization actually. But yeah, so this is now working. But they are too bright. I am not sure why. Can I make them pop up a bit more? Maybe 7? I don't know. Okay, they can float. I don't mind that. Nah. Why are they so washed up? Like, why? Ah, maybe they have some kind of, let's see, if we go to materials, if I open this thing, if I take it out, if I get it here, if I go to my materials here, and then the specular should be 0, right? Specular is 1, if roughness is 1, if roughness is 0, it is, yeah, so we don't want any. If I do this, now what? Why is it so bright and like I don't understand? 0? I guess this is not related. Yeah, I guess not. So we need to change the scale here. What I want to do? Oh, it goes back. Yeah. I mean, why don't we do it like a... Yeah, why not? I guess that's okay for today. These are placeholder textures anyway, so no need to spend that too much time on it. So let's complete the asset lookup and then call it a day. So here we are. Okay. So last we left off, we need more elements. Diamonds. This is the stupidest. Page up, page down is not working. Why can't we do it in code? Wait, when the texture is not found, the text was not there. Queen and king. So if we go to playing cards, diamonds, ace, diamonds, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, Jack, King, Queen, and King. Nice. Yes, very good. Okay, I'm done for today. Thank you very much. I will try to be here tomorrow as well. 1 hour, 2 hours. Let's see if I can find my rhythm. Okay, bye. Bye.